Hello students, today we are going to see about computer virus. It's part 2 of our chapter. Part 1 we have already done. Now, what are the things which we have seen in the last class? In the last presentation, we have gone through the topics such as introduction to computer virus, what a computer virus is, types of computer virus, and antivirus available in the market. Now, let us see types of computer virus in bit detail all along with the antivirus available in the market with detailed explanation. There are many viruses available in this technological era, but let us see these few in more detail. First of all, bombs. These are the viruses which activate themselves after a specific time period and cause damage to the computer system. I repeat, these are the viruses which activate themselves after a specific time period and they just damage the computer system. The next one is boot sector virus. The boot sector is the area of a hard disk. The boot sector is the area of a hard disk that stores valuable information. Boot sector is the area of the hard disk that stores valuable information. Boot sector viruses affect this area and cause damages. These are very harmful viruses. Email virus, as the name is self-explanatory, these viruses transmit through emails and attached files. These viruses, they transmit through emails and attached files. When the person opens the attached file, the virus copies itself to his or her computer's hard disk and cause damage to it. Next one is Trojan horses. These viruses at first appear to be friendly but are very malicious and dangerous programs. They steal information from the computer. They can be of any type. Even some computer games are Trojan horses virus. So these viruses are, in other words, we can say that these viruses are like frauds. They enter into your system as friendly programs like games and all, and they just destroy your computer and programming in the computer. Worms. A worm is a malicious program that duplicates itself. They eventually fill up the disk space with copies of itself and thereby make a computer system to work very slow. Worms duplicates itself and fill up the disk space with its copies and slows down and makes the computer to perform slowly. Spyware. A spyware is a computer software that is installed secretly on a computer to gather a person's personal information without his or her knowledge or consent, as its name is spy. Spy is a person who derives secret information. In the same way, this spyware virus, it gets installed into your computer secretly without the knowledge of that person, without the knowledge of the person who is operating a particular system, who is owning a particular system. Without his or her knowledge, this software simply enters the system. So these are the different kinds of very dangerous virus which frequently enters our computer system. Next, malware. What is a malware? A malware or malicious software It is also called as malicious software is any program or file that is harmful to a computer user. Types of malware can include computer viruses, worms, Trojan horses and spyware. These malicious programs can perform a variety of different functions, such as what functions actually malware perform: stealing the data, encrypting or deleting sensitive data, altering or hijacking core computing functions, and monitoring users' computer activity without their permission. These are the all these things, they actually come under the cyber crime. So all these things are being done by malware: stealing the data, encrypting or deleting the sensitive data, altering or hijacking core computer functions, and monitoring users computer activity, monitoring users computer, or we can say without their permission. Now this we have seen about the detailed explanation or detailed description of virus, malware, water malware. Now let us see how to protect your computer from such things. How to protect your computer from viruses, how to protect your computer from malware. We know nowadays a computer or a smartphone is a treasure, because we have all the necessary information in it. Okay, our data, our photographs, and our dealings, our tenders. Okay, many things are being stored into the system, and let me tell you, data stealing is one of the most dangerous thing nowadays. Data stealing is one of the most dangerous thing nowadays. Okay, data stealing is being done into the each and every sector nowadays, but it is most prominent in tender bidding system. Tender bidding system, it is very prominent in. So how to protect your computer from such things? Do not use CDs or pen drives received from others unless you are sure that the device does not contain a virus. Okay, do not use CDs or pen drives received from others unless you are sure that the device does not contain a virus. Do not download programs or other information from non-reputed sources on the internet. Do not download programs or other information from non-reputed sources on the internet. Don't use pirated sources as well. Don't use pirated sources as well. Be careful of the attached file you receive in your emails, because email viruses, they come through emails. Open only those files sent by the people you trust. Don't open each and every email. They may be spam. They may be hacking your computer. So open only those files. You may get so many mails. Okay. So open only those files which the people whom you know very nicely. Okay. Restrict access to your system. Restrict others' access to your system. Install an antivirus program on your computer. It is very necessary. Install an antivirus program on your computer to save your data, to save your hard disk, to save your motherboard, to save your system. Everything can be saved through antivirus. Next is, what are antivirus? Antivirus software is a type of utility used for scanning and removing viruses. Antivirus. Okay, name is self-explanatory. Anti means something in opposition of virus, antivirus. It is used to scan and remove virus from your computer. While many types of antivirus or virus or antivirus program exist, their primary purpose is to protect computers from viruses and remove any of the virus if they found. Different antivirus are there. Norton, Kaspersky, McAfee, F-Secure, AVG, K7 Endpoint Security. These are the different antivirus available in the market. Now, how to scan your computer? How to scan your computer? Here I have taken one example of Kaspersky. Okay, like this only you can scan any of the computer with any antivirus following these steps. First of all, double click on Kaspersky Internet Security System icon from System Tray. Now what is System Tray? Let me tell you, this is called System Tray. When an antivirus is being installed into your computer, here in this arrow, the option for antivirus will come. You have to click on that and you have to activate that antivirus program. So double click on Kaspersky Internet Security icon from the system, click the scan option, a new screen appears. As soon as you double click on the Kaspersky Internet Security option, you have to click on scan option and a new screen will appear. Select the full scan option and click. You have to select the full scan option and then you have to click. After completion of scanning, you will get a message, full scan completed. As the system is completely scanned, all the documents and everything, motherboard, hard disk, everything is scanned, you will get a message, full scan completed. Then after full scan completed prompt, you have to click on the close button to exit Kaspersky window. I repeat, double click on the Kaspersky Internet Security icon from the system, click on the scan option, a new screen appears, select the full scan option and click, the scanning will start, and after that, as the scanning is completed, you will get a message, full scan completed. As the full scanning is completed and you will get a full scan completed message, click on the close button to exit. Next is scanning external devices. How to scan external devices? External devices like CDs, pen drives. Whenever you insert, whenever you attach an external device, what you have to do? You have to go to the source of that external device. You have to right click and there comes the option. Okay, for example, my external removable drive transcend pen drive is E slash is my drive. Okay, I have to click on that, right click on that, there comes the option for scan on that and set the device for scanning. Okay, after that you will get a message, scan completed successfully. When the scan will be completed, you will get a message, scan completed successfully. Click on the finish button and then you can safely deattach or remove your external device. Now, updating antivirus software. Antivirus software, they are also being updated. So, how to update them? Double click on Kaspersky. Again, I have taken the example of Kaspersky Internet Security System. Double click on Kaspersky Internet Security icon from the system. Click the update option. A new screen appears. Click Run Update button to start the update process. Close the window when the process completes. I repeat the steps. Double click on Kaspersky Internet Security icon. Click the update option. A new screen appears. In that new screen, click on Start Update or Run Update. As soon as you will click on Run Update, it starts the updating process. As the updating finish, it will give you the prompt that system updated successfully. Close the window as soon as the process gets complete. Hope you liked and you understood the presentation, virus, antivirus and computer virus. Stay safe, stay alert as it is the crying need of the time. It is a crucial time, it is a crucial thing that we have, how we need to safeguard our data. So, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.